AIVidly AI has just dropped, and it's causing a major stir in the AI software space. But what makes this tool so special, and should you be using it? In this review, I'll break down 7 crucial things you need to know about AIVidly before you jump in. Stick around, because I'll also reveal how you can try AIVidly for free with the link below. No commitment, just a chance to test it yourself. Let's dive straight in. First up, AIVidly is a game changer when it comes to automating your video creation and editing processes. It harnesses the power of AI to generate high-quality, engaging videos in minutes without needing any prior video editing experience. Whether you're a marketer, content creator, or business owner, this software is designed to save you tons of time and effort by automating video production from scratch. From script writing to voiceovers and video editing, AIVidly handles it all, making it one of the most efficient tools for content creators today. Another key feature to know is its AI-powered content generation. AIVidly uses advanced algorithms to analyze your input and produce compelling scripts that align with your target audience's interests. Whether you're creating product demos, tutorials, or explainer videos, this software automatically optimizes the content for engagement. It's as if you have a dedicated content strategist working alongside you, but without the hefty cost. One feature that stands out is its customization options. While many video creation tools are limited in terms of editing flexibility, AIVidly allows you to adjust text, colors, and visuals. You can easily add your branding and adjust the style of your videos to match your unique tone and voice. This makes it not only an efficient tool, but a highly adaptable one that can fit into any brand's creative process. Now, let's talk about ease of use. AIVidly's interface is incredibly user-friendly, even for complete beginners. No steep learning curve here. Everything is drag and drop, and the platform guides you every step of the way, making video creation feel like a breeze. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with other tools. So if you're already using platforms like Google Ads or social media marketing suites, you won't have to worry about compatibility. But here's where AIVidly really shines: its speed. While traditional video editing can take hours, AIVidly can generate a polished video in minutes, drastically reducing the time you spend on content creation. It's perfect for people who need to create videos on the fly or maintain a consistent content schedule. For businesses, this could mean faster turnaround times and the ability to produce more videos without increasing workload. Another major perk is the affordability. While many similar AI tools charge a premium for their features, AIVidly offers a competitive pricing structure, especially considering the value it provides. When you compare it to hiring a freelance editor or video production agency, AIVidly is a steal, giving you access to professional-level video creation at a fraction of the cost. Lastly, AIVidly is constantly improving. The team behind the software is pushing out regular updates, ensuring it stays on the cutting edge of AI and video editing technology. As AI evolves, AIVidly evolves with it, so you're always getting the latest features without needing to upgrade to a new tool every year. If you want to try AIVidly for free, check out the first link in the description below. It's a no-risk way to see how this software can improve your video creation workflow and take your content to the next level. Before you go, remember that I've tried thousands of AI tools, and I've listed my top recommendations in the description for you to explore, including some free trials. If you're serious about boosting your productivity, these are the tools I recommend. Try AIVidly today and let me know how it works for you in the comments.